Before diving into the enchanting world of William Shakespeare's A Midsummer Night's Dream, it's important to have a basic understanding of the main characters. The play is filled with a colorful cast of characters, each with their own unique personalities and quirks. By taking the time to learn about the characters, you'll be able to fully appreciate the intricate plot and understand the motivations behind their actions. But before we continue, let us shine a spotlight on one of the central figures in this delightful tale: Lysander. Lysander is a charming and charismatic young man, deeply enchanted by the intoxicating power of love. With his dashing appearance and magnetic presence, he effortlessly captures the hearts of those around him, including the object of his affection, Hermia. Lysander's character is characterized by his unwavering devotion, wit, and an adventurous spirit that adds a touch of excitement to his persona. Physically, Lysander possesses a striking handsomeness that is both captivating and disarming. His chiseled features, complemented by a well-groomed beard and tousled chestnut hair, exude a sense of rugged charm. His piercing eyes, the color of a clear summer sky, brim with sincerity and warmth, reflecting his genuine and passionate nature. Lysander is a romantic at heart, driven by a deep desire to experience and cherish true love. His heart beats in sync with Hermia's, and he finds himself irresistibly drawn to her vivacious spirit and captivating beauty. Lysander's love for Hermia is profound and sincere, causing him to see the world through a lens of enchantment and wonder. Though Lysander possesses a tender and gentle nature, he also possesses a mischievous wit and a quick sense of humor. He infuses conversations with playful banter and clever wordplay, adding a lightness and joy to every interaction. Lysander's sharp intellect and charm make him a captivating conversationalist, effortlessly winning the hearts of those around him. As a character, Lysander is defined by his loyalty and steadfastness. He stands by Hermia's side, supporting her in her pursuit of love and defying the societal constraints that seek to keep them apart. Lysander's devotion to Hermia is unwavering, and he demonstrates his commitment through his actions, always striving to protect and nurture their love amidst the tumultuous circumstances they face. Lysander's character arc is marked by his transformation from a smitten young lover to a steadfast and resilient individual, willing to navigate through the challenges of love. He faces obstacles and trials, including the interference of others and the enchantments of a mischievous fairy, yet he remains true to his feelings and unwavering in his loyalty. Beneath his charming exterior, Lysander possesses a compassionate and empathetic heart. He genuinely cares for the well-being and happiness of those around him, including his dear friend Demetrius. Despite the rivalry and conflicts that arise due to their shared love interests, Lysander maintains a sense of integrity and goodwill, never allowing jealousy or resentment to cloud his judgment. In essence, Lysander is a captivating and passionate young man who embodies the transformative power of love. His charm, loyalty, and adventurous spirit make him a memorable character, drawing readers and audiences into his world of romance and self-discovery. Lysander's unwavering devotion to Hermia and his ability to navigate the complexities of love with grace and resilience showcase his strength of character and make him a beloved figure within the story. My fellow explorers of literature, join me in our next episode as we immerse ourselves in the captivating world of complexity that is an integral part of this enchanting play. Until then, stay curious and embrace the magic of Shakespeare's A Midsummer Night's Dream.